are Camilo and Lina from Antojos, and today we are going to be cooking arepas. We are in Casa Iberica kitchen, and we are going to be using those lovely ceramics from Casa Bonita Lifestyle.
We are from Colombia, we are from Antioquia. We have a arepa party today.
I'm going to be explaining you a little bit about how is the process of getting the arepa. Corn has been one of the most important ingredients of indigenous diet from ancient times. This is the way you find the corn, that is dry corn. This corn needs to be washed and needs to be soaked overnight and then needs to be cooked for about 2 hours. Then it becomes this. So it gains water and is softer. In this way, you can grind it, or in ancient time, they used the mortar like this, and then it becomes this dough. It needs to be soft, and then you form a ball and you press it. I wanted to tell good news. We don't need to do this very tedious process. Now it's different ways to get this done. You can use the harina pan that you can get it from Casa Iberica if you want to start from this part, or you also can get it from some shops. In our case, we sell the arepas directly like this. We do the difficult work for you. This is ready. You can just get it from your freezer, and you can start it working from this part. So we will start doing our first arepa, which is gonna be the Arepa Pizza.
This is a traditional white corn arepa for every day, in the breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner.
Any meal. Because we are having a party for friends today, we are use our different types of arepas. So this is the white corn, has been already cooked, pineapple puree,
Chicken, mozzarella cheese. What?
This is Tasman pepper.
Beautiful. Oregano.
This lovely ceramic, you can put it inside the oven and it can go later directly to the table.
We have the little arepas, the sweet corn arepa, and this one is
Filled with cheese. You don't need the parillas if you don't have it. You can use any pan. If you're lucky enough to have those at home, these are called parillas. This is for gas and this is for electric stove. You can use the oven and you also can use the toaster. Medium-low heat, because otherwise it will burn. Especially the sweet corn, it can burn easily. You just have to make sure it's not soft because otherwise the things will fall out.
the cheesy one is very simple. A little bit butter, and you can put anything on top you want. You want avocado or simple like this. Try this and enjoy it. Today is a arepa party. You can use this.
Another way, just open it.
Open it. And a bit spinach, pepper, pineapple. Okay, the cheesy one is ready. Para the arepa. We start with the little ones. Avocado, chicken, fresh pecorino. The sound, when it's ready, you need to wait around 15 seconds before to open. And this is very important. You need to use one knife.
One round end.
Like this, not like this.
No sharp.
We start to open inside, like this. And open this. This. Pecorino cheese. Pineapple in this.
Now the sweet corn one is ready. I'm just gonna make it separately because I want to make a vegan arepa. So I will make a simple but very delicious vegan arepa. So I've got some mashed avocado here. Let me just put it on top. And some spinach. And our pepper. Got some salt here. I just cut it in 4. Now our arepa pizza is ready. We're taking out of the oven. Look how beautiful it looks. We're just gonna cut it in 4 because we're serving for different people so they can all share.
We need a little bit more Tasmania pepper, more fresh oregano.
So now we have the final plate here. We got this lovely arepa pizza, which is the plain white corn arepa, and it has pineapple, chicken, mozzarella cheese, and oregano. We also have the filled with cheese arepa, just this. And then we have spinach and avocado. We have our lovely vegan arepa, which has mashed avocado, spinach, and Tasman pepper. Our little arepas filled with cheese, avocado, and chicken, and different mixtures. And Camilo is finishing some little arepas, but topped, so you can use your imagination to use them. You can put things inside, you can put things on top, you can cut it different ways. That these ones are in triangles, these ones are in lines. So it's up to you. It's really, really easy. As you can see, we didn't use any complicated method or any ingredient like it's hard to get. No, everything like you can find in your fridge and kitchen. We finally have put some salsa verde and Cholula. These are from Mexico, but they're very, very popular in South America. But you can put any sauce, anything that you want to accompany with. The arepas are very versatile, and you're more than welcome to just try it your own. Okay, for arepa party, you can enjoy with your favorite drink. For the children, arepa pizza is very, very popular. And they're filled with cheese, they love it. And also the sweet corn, because it's a natural sweet flavor. The drinks, you can use anything, like beer comes really well. If you don't have too much time, the people is coming to your home, the arepa party is ready in 30 minutes. 30, 40 minutes, so you have the party. Now the arepa party is ready. Enjoy.